At number 3, we have the micro-ingredients hydration electrolyte powder. This electrolyte powder stands out for its high potassium content, providing 1,000 milligrams per serving. This powder is formulated with natural electrolytes sourced from coconut water and real lemon juice, which contribute to its refreshing lemon raspberry flavor. The inclusion of coconut water is beneficial as it is rich in electrolytes like potassium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and supporting muscle function. Additionally, lemon juice offers vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting hydration and immune support. The powder is free from sugar, calories, and fillers, making it suitable for those on keto and paleo diets. It is also non-GMO and free from common allergens such as soy, dairy, gluten, and tree nuts, ensuring a pure and safe product. With 139 servings per container, this electrolyte powder is an effective choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts seeking quick hydration and replenishment of vital minerals.